Now I'd like to ask you that you have been part of 555 program. So what is the best part of it, and please provide a review about it.
Yes. So I joined 555 program after this mains, and it was mainly for content enrichment. But I found it very, very useful. So if I was writing this mains, like the 2024 mains, I am very sure that I would have used a lot of materials from it. The most important aspect of 555 program, I see it in two ways. Number one is conceptual clarity, because when we are in the class and when you teach us, that itself clears a lot of doubts. So otherwise, especially in aspects areas like physical anthropology or even anthropological theories, it's a little bit difficult to understand everything. So when the teacher is there teaching you, and then when you can ask doubt, I definitely cleared a lot of doubts while I was in the 555. And the second aspect is the enrichment. So I remember I spent about 90% of my time between my prelims and my mains to ethics and optional, and maybe so again 60% of that time just for optional, just for anthropology. It took me a lot of time to get to these research articles. I had to look at citations, then go back to the original article, then read the article, find some 2-3 important names, get the perspective, write it down. It's a long, tedious process. I definitely benefited out of it. But then what a program like 555 brings in, and what you bring in, is these are in your fingertips. You give us these content, research articles in a very brief and succinct way, and in an exam ready way, so we can readily use it in the exam. So those are two aspects that I greatly benefited.
Okay, thank you.